friends, welcome back to my channel Madhavi Dosapati. Okay, have you ever felt embarrassed because you were being caught yawning in the middle of a meeting? Wait, or have you ever been called off just because you were yawning when there was a serious class going on? Guys, I've got a good news. You know what? Yawning is actually good. That's because oxygen supply is increased via yawning. And not only that, guys, through yawning, it increases the blood flow to the brain. Isn't it interesting? For such more interesting facts, do check out my channel Madhu Daspati and stay tuned for more wonderful facts. Have a great day. Bye.